In our previous video, I spoke about indices and powers. If this is your first time watching my video, consider following my page and subscribing to my YouTube channel to be notified whenever I upload a new content. Let's talk about factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Factors are numbers that can be multiplied together to produce another number. Let's say, for example 1, we want to find the factor of 30. This will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. We can use each of them to divide 30 and get a whole number. Let's say we have another example. Example 2. We want to find the factors of 12. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 itself. Now that we understand factors, let's dive into multiples. Just like factors help us break down numbers, multiples shows us what happens when we keep multiplying a number by others. For example 3, the multiples of, let's say, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Also, so we have another example, example 4. We want to find the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye.